Hey guys, welcome to Hyan Studio. This video is a tutorial on how to make your own miniature Blackpink light stick. Start by kneading the black clay for the handle of the light stick. Use a rolling pin to make the clay soft and easy to play with. Create a sphere and roll down the middle to make a cylinder. Apply less force to the sides to create a baseball shape for the head of the light stick. Cut the excess clay. Use your fingers to shape the clay. Give the top of the handle a round shape. Pick out the clay colors for the hearts on the light stick. And mix some colors together to first make a baby pink color. So here is where my mistake comes in. Do not add translucent clay. I thought translucent clay would have a nice effect on the colors, but no. So just don't use translucent clay. Roll out a flat piece of clay for the wavy pattern on the handle. Try to make it as thin as you can. Use a blade to cut a thin strip of clay. Wrap the strip around in an up and down motion to create the wave on the handle. Join the ends of the clay together and cut off the excess clay. Use a tool to smooth the joints. Place the clay on a flat surface and gently roll with your fingers to flatten the pink clay. Roll out a small coil and separate a small amount of clay for the button on the handle. Create a sphere and place it below the wavy pattern. This is an optional step, but I decided to create a keychain hole at the bottom of the light stick. Use a needle tool to create the small hole. To add the pink hearts on the sides, I made both surfaces of the head flat by removing thin slices of clay. Bake the handle so that it doesn't lose shape. And after baking it, I used sandpaper to once again create flat sides on the head of the light stick. To make the hearts, roll out a flat piece of pink clay. Use the handle as a guide to measure the size of the hearts. Using a sharp tool, gently create an outline of the heart. And carefully cut it out. Smooth out the sides. And bake it in the oven. You can see the translucent clay made the baby pink a peachy color. Use sandpaper or a nail file to even out the sides. Place the baked heart on the rest of the clay and use it as a template to cut out 5 more hearts. Smooth them out and bake them all in the oven. Use sandpaper to file the lumpy areas. Now to attach the hearts on the handle, roll out a coil of pink clay and divide it into 2 small spheres and 4 smaller spheres. Apply Fimo liquid to one of the sides of the hearts and using one of the 4 smaller spheres as an in-between layer, place another heart on top. Create 3 layers of hearts. Squeeze Fimo liquid to the sides of the handle and attach the 2 small spheres on either side. Now bake them all in the oven. I evened out the surfaces with sandpaper before attaching the hearts. Use Fimo liquid and carefully attach the layers of hearts on either side. Bake it in the oven for the final time. And here it is. To give it a shine, I used UV gel polish to coat it. You can finish it off here, but I decided to add a ring to make it a keychain. I screwed on a ring on the top of the light stick. And added a keychain. So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. Through this video, I realized that I am terrible at explaining each of the steps. Hopefully you guys were able to follow. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.